Just for the record, the use of mini trial by some members of the Justice Committee is intended only to make a distinction between the proceeding before the Justice Committee and the trial which will happen in the Senate. Let us always be reminded that our parameter in our hearing proper is the determination of probable cause only, which means the justification to be able to proceed to trial. Again, we are not yet determining the guilt. We are not holding trial. This is just a clarificatory hearing for the purpose of determining probable cause, which will allow us to proceed to trial in the Senate.
Madam Chair.
That is for the record. The
Madam
Honorable
Chair.
Ko.
Madam Chair.
Madam Chair, a comment.
The Honorable Ko and then the Honorable D.S. Puno.
Madam Chair, also for the record, there is a statement released by the Office of the Vice President, echoing the parts of the letter issued by counsel, and again using the word quote-unquote mini trial. Madam Chair, on the record, I'd like to contest and express my grievance on the use of the word mini trial. What is happening on the floor, Madam Chair, is determination of probable cause. It is a different proceeding that if you also provide equivalents in how we do this in the judicial proceedings, clear naman po ang distinction ng ginagawa ng Office of the Prosecutor. And kapag nahanap na po yung probable cause na yon, magpo-proceed na po sa trial sa korte. For me, Madam Chair, it is irresponsible to muddy legal concepts so as to create a reason para po hindi mag-appear and even defeat the capabilities of this committee to talk about evidence, pleadings that is provided and may avenue naman na pinapadaloy under our House rules. So, Madam Chair, I'd just like to put on the record yung grievance on the use of the word mini trial. Thank you, Madam Chair.